Hi there guys, Alex here with Long Eaton Motorcycles. Got something a little bit different today. What we have here is a genuine ex-Virgin Cup R6 race bike. Okay, so there's a lot of trick bits on this. We're talking blueprinted engine, titanium exhaust system, fully adjustable rear shocks, aftermarket reworked internals on the front shocks. The list is absolutely endless on this bike. There's so many things I could go through with you. So this is one of those bikes I definitely suggest coming down to take a look at if you were interested. So we also have in the background, a lot of spare track fairings and stuff like that, some spare wets on wheels as well. As usual, I'll try and get around the bike in as much detail as I can, but I tell you now, I will forget some bits. Absolutely loads and loads of stuff on here. Like I say, this is a genuine ex-Virgin Cup race bike. Never been registered to the road. It went straight to the factory to get built into a race bike. So we'll get her started for you. Nearly dropped it. So there you have it guys, something a little bit different. Our ex-Virgin Race Cup R6.